Namaste and warm greetings everyone. I am Rotoactor Apeksha, the creative lead of Rotovac Club of Pokhara GMC, bringing you the highlights of the month of November. We celebrated Tihar on this month. May the festival of light be the harbinger of joy and prosperity. That being said, without further delay, let's have a look at the club activities and projects our Rotoactors carried out on the month of November.
International Service Avenue, Rotary Youth Leadership Award, Rotary Club of Pokhara with Rotaract Club of Pokhara GMC District 3292 and Rotary Club of Paruch with Rotaract Club of Paruch District 3060 organized for Jill Raila Rotary Youth Leadership Award on 7th and 8th November. With more than 100 registrants and 50 participants, the Raila was organized with theme Defy Challenges, Follow Your Passion. Raila was chaired by Rotarian Dr. Suketu De, RC Paruch and co-chaired by Rotaractor Prakriti Dhakal, RAC Pokhara GMC. The opening ceremony of Raila was addressed by District Governor of District 3292 Rotarian Rajiv Pokhriya and District Governor of District 3060 Rotarian Prashant Jani, whereas award ceremony was addressed by DRCC of District 3292 Rotarian Subhash Sikdar and DRR of District 3292 and District 3060. The main objective of this program was to demonstrate Rotaract's respect and concern for youth, provide an effective training experience for youth and potential leaders, encourage leadership of youth by youth, and also to recognize young people who are rendering service to their communities. The event incorporated power session of various resource persons and various activities. As resource person, we were very lucky to have Mr. Ansuman Tunde, Mr. Asim Patel, Dr. Bhavin Chauhan, Mr. Narottam Aryal, Mrs. Nista Thakur, Mr. Raghav Dev, Mrs. Sri Vidya Raghunathan Kayastha, and Professor Dr. Tilman Sharma. We also had E-Raila Master Chef, E-Raila Singing Idol, and E-Raila Photography Contest where they judged on the basis of video and photo submission and were awarded. We awarded participants as Best Chef, Best Singer, Best Photographer, Best Introductory Video, Runner-Up, Best Raila Participant and Outstanding Raila Participant.
Club Service Division. Letterhead Exchange with Rotaract Club of Tulsipur. As we believe on growing together while building fellowship, friendship and serving the society, we are glad to announce the intra-district physical letterhead exchange done between Rotaract Club of Pokhara GMC and Rotaract Club of Tulsipur. This letterhead exchange marks our formal start of everlasting friendship. It was done in Dang by our new emerging Rotaractor Adit Acharya with all his dedication and tremendous love and respect for the club. Professional Development Avenue. Aspire to inspire. To be inspired is great and to inspire others is incredible. Keeping this thing in mind, we continued our project Aspire to Inspire. This project provides Rotaractor with a platform where they can keep forward their works to inspire others through twice-a-week posts in our Facebook and Instagram page. Azako Sakda. This project was initiated from July 1st by understanding of this tenure. Every day a new Nepali word is published in our official Facebook and Instagram page. And now, we would like to congratulate our Community Service Director, Rotaractor Prakriti Amgai, on winning one of our prestigious national poetry competition, that is Buzzword 2020, hosted by Series Youth Foundation. Whole club is proud of your achievement and would like to wish you bright future ahead.
हेलो एभ्रिवान, नमस्ते। म रोटारेक्टर गीतु गैले। आज म एउटा कविता प्रस्तुत गर्ने कोसिस गर्दैछु। यो कविता कुनै एउटा विषयसँग सम्बन्धित भएर लेखेको कविता हो, जसको शीर्षक छ भाग्यमानी। मलाई प्रश्न धेरैले सोधे, तर कसैले पनि प्रश्नहरू सोधेनन्। मेरो उत्तर कसैले नजाने। केही बेर मलाई निहाल्छन्, कम्मरको गोलाइ, छातीको चौडाइ, काला चम्किला आँखा, पिठो झै सेता छाला। वाह, कति राम्री, कति भाग्यमानी। कसरी कसैले नचाहन सक्छ तिमीलाई। मलाई सम्भोग गर्ने त सही, तर प्रेम गर्ने किन सुन्ने। एकपटक होइन, दुई पटक होइन, पटक पटक मैले 100,000को नोटमा मेरो जीवन नै साथी दिए। हो अब पुग्यो। परिवार समाजको विद्रोह गर्दै मैले मेरो हेर्दादेखि परिचय फेरि थाहा छैन अब कुनै बाटो। एक्लो छु, नितान्त एक्लो छु र पनि गुजर सब बनाइरहेछु। अरूका लागि म पहिले फागेनमा थिएँ, तर आफ्नो लागि अहिले हो म फागेनमा, साह्रै फागेनमा। थ्याङ्क यू।